Let us start from the corner crimping machine.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Yes.
Mac,
Yes.
can you have a brief introduction about our corner crimping machine's function?
Okay. So if we are talking about the corner crimping, machine, first I want to introduce the aluminum corner connection technique, because right now in the market there are three main connection technique. One is a very traditional technique. This is this one. That is this technique. This one is the corner is connected. The corner is connected by the screw. Yes, but for this one, because it is mainly depending on the manual work, and also the screw joint, the corner is not so much tight. So the corner connecting technique not so much good. But it is still available in some economical market. So this is for this crimping for this connecting technique. Another one is we call it the pinned corner. For the pinned corner, they have the profile. The cut it the 45 degree. And the system supplier, we supply the corner cleat. To the supplier, to the fabricators. And then, before the connecting, first they should punch the pre-hose. After that, the operator put the connector, and then they are using the Allen key. To connect it, to tight it. So this technique is quite good. It's popular in some developed countries, such as in Europe, or in Japan, or some other market. But anyhow, because this one is mainly depending on the labor work, not machinery, so the production efficiency is not so much high. So that's why in the market there is another technique. It's a crimping technique. The crimping technique. You can see this is a crimped hose. For the crimping technique, first we have the aluminum profile. The aluminum profile is already cut the 45 degree. And also have the corner key already cut by the auto key cutting saw. They cut off because the corner key should be cut according to the profile set, and then put inside. Actually, also as the standard requirement, they also should put glue. Then they pre-connect. After that, they use the corner crimping machine to crimp the corners. Because this one using the corner crimping machine, the efficiency is very high. One corner is only 3 seconds. So the efficiency is very high.
Okay,
this
very
is the
quick.
That's why the corner crimping machine is becoming very popular in the market.
Okay.
Yes.
Good, Mac. Your introduction is very professional.
Thank you, Andrew.
I saw there are 2 sets corner crimping machine. Can you tell us what is the difference between of these 2 machines?
Okay. So actually, this is the 2 corner crimping machine. This one is the hydraulic corner crimping machine. This corner crimping machine come to the market on the around 2003. It had been sold more than 20,000 of this machine in the market.
Okay.
It's quite okay, but according to the customer feedback, for this machine they have 2 main weakness. One is because this one is driven by the hydraulic station. So sooner or later the operator have the oil leaking problem. This is one problem. The other one is the crimping tool. The crimping tool in here is difficult to set because for the corner crimping tool, which the operator should set according to the profile section. So the operator feel a little bit difficult to set the crimping tool. So because of these 2 weaknesses, on the 2015, we had developed this market. This one is fully pneumatic controlled, So it solved the oil leaking problem.
Okay, wait a moment, Mac.
Yes.
You mean this is pneumatic?
Yes.
The air pressure.
Yes.
It is enough for do the corner cracking?
Okay.
I think this is a problem.
Okay. This is a good question. Actually, a lot of customers, when we introduce this machine to the customers, a lot of customers ask the same question, whether the corner, the crimp, the power, crimp, the force is strong enough. For this machine, we have some special designing. We can look back. If possible, we can look back. Yes, we have the unique designing in here. This one can generate the force 40 kilonewton. So as our testing, it can crimp the profile with the thickness 5 mm.
Okay.
Yes, so it's strong enough. It's very strong enough. So it means like this thickness, if 5 mm, we can easily crimp. Because normally the aluminum profile is only 2 mm or 2.5 mm. Very few more than 3 mm. So the corner crimping machine is strong enough for crimping the aluminum corners.
Okay.
Yes.
After listening your introduction,
yes,
this machine for the pneumatic type
yes,
looks seem better than the hydraulic type. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you tell us more advantage about this machine?
Okay. Another point, as we told you, the machine, when we design this new machine, our main function is solving the problem of the old machine. So we have some special or some unique designing in here. To fully solving the difficult to setting the crimping tool problem.
Okay.
So we have some special designing for this new machine. We can show you.
For the old machine, the adjustment is very complicated.
Okay, because the crimping tool is fixed on the stretch bolt. It can be easily adjustable according to the profile section. Now we ask our engineer to show you.
Okay.
Yes. As we can see, our engineer, he should set the tools according to the profile section. He should set it. So now you can see he can easily rotate on the stretch bolt. Here. Now he already found the proper position. Yeah. After that, he can put it inside.
Oh, it is stop suddenly.
Yes, because this is also another unique designing for this machine. Because why? We have the magnetic strip in here. What is the benefit for the operator? Because the magnetic strip, so it means the crimping tool can be easily positioned or stopped at any place. What is the benefit for the operator? Because when the operator they put the corner crimping tool according to the height, he has to set again. Now our engineer will show you. Yeah, because now in China it's 10 p.m. 10 p.m.
Okay.
It's very light. It's very dark. So we have to use the light also. Yeah. So now we can see our engineer, he can easily adjust the height. According to the profile section. After that, he will locate. So the setting makes the setting become very easy and very quick.
Okay.
Now maybe he will set up another corner crimping tools. So for this side, he do the same. He will loose the tool. He will loose this part. Find the proper position, and then we can see it's much easier. It is very different from the old one. Later we show you the old one. The old one, the operator has to hold the two cutters always. Now the setting is okay? Okay, so now we will ask our engineer to show you, to demo the machine to everyone in here.
Okay.
So yeah, we will ask our engineer to demo.
I think it is better to understand.
Yes. So just pay attention now. Okay. Yes. So our engineer will show you. This is another special designing for this part. You know, for the crimping for this cutter, one is the back crimping tool, another one is the front crimping tool. The front crimping tool can float up, can lift up and lift down. So make the operator easier to remove away the frame after crimping. But the special designing is here. This one is fixed. This crimping tool is fixed. Don't move. It's different from the other. The other one, the old one, this one, both the back and the front, the two crimping tools are moving. So it means the operator, they cannot find the fixed position. The corner cutter, the crimping cutter, the crimped corners cannot be assured very well.
Yes.
Now we show you. Okay. So also to make the setting become easier, all the parts we have the meter. We have the meters in here.
Okay.
Every side we have the meters in here.
Also there is a meter.
Yeah, also here, also in here we have the meters. So why? Because the operator can easily and quickly find the position. So to make the setting become easier and quicker. Yeah. It's okay? Already finished? Now we demo. Okay. Now we. So he locked it already. So now we demo the machine. We demo the machine. So now we can see. The front crimper move forward, and then the two crimper, they push. So now the crimping was finished. We show you the crimping result. We can easily see the crimping result is very nice. The surface is very flat, no any gap. To show the water sealness, we just to make a very simple but very effective testing to show the client, to show everyone in here. Now we have some water, we have some bottled water. We pour the water inside. Now we can see no any water leaking. So it's very easy but very effective to show the water sealness. The water is inside. Yes. So no any water. So yes. So this is the function. This is the full demo for this machine.
Okay.
Yes.
So I think let us see the old type demo that is easier to contrast.
To compare it.
different.
Yes. Right. So now we show this is the old corner crimping machine. As we told you, this one is driven by the hydraulic station at the back. This is the one part. Another one, the crimping tools in here is very complicated for the operator to set the proper position. Now our engineer will show us how difficult to set the tools. because this one is different from the other one. All the cutter is separate. All the cutters is separate.
Have two adjustments one by one.
Yes. So if you want to set the tool, then as our engineer he show right now, he had to loose all the bolt one by one and to adjust the cutters different from the other one. Easily only loose and then take out to adjust. Now you see, he had to manually adjust one by one.
Okay.
And also when he do the adjustment, his hand always hold the cutter. It's very difficult.
More complicated.
Exactly, you are right. You are right. Yes. So you see, now he set this side. He finished the setting for this side. Now this is the efficiency. Difference. Yes, this is the efficiency difference.
Also, I think if you want to adjust this machine, need fully experience about the adjustment.
Of course. If the operator he want to do it, he want to do this, he want to set the tools, he must have a lot of experience to set it. After he finish this one, he go to the other side to set another tool also. So now it's very, very slow, very difficult. But you know, it's very pitiful. A lot of customers, when they buy the machine, at the beginning, they don't understand it. They only say, oh, this one also the crimping machine looks also quick. Because at the crimping moment, it's really quick, no difference. But for setting, it's very difficult. But it's very pitiful. The client, when they buy the machine, they don't understand it. They don't know it. Only after they buy the machine, they know the headache. But it's already too late.
Also, I think if one customer have many types of profile,
yes,
the adjustment
very big trouble, very big headache,
will waste many times.
Yes, the efficiency is become lower. It means their cost become higher.
Yes.
Higher. And also right now another trend in the world. Right now most of the workers don't want working in the factory. They want to make the work become easy and become simple.
Friendly operation.
Yes, right. Yeah. So even our engineer, he had also about 20 years experience in this industry, but he also require a lot of time to set up the tools. So now if we compare, the efficiency is very, very obvious, very easily to find out.
Okay.
Yes.
We already got it. This machine will waste many times.
Yes, right.
Yes.
And also another point, as I show you, so for the production, this one cannot be floated down. So after crimping, the operator have to lift up manually and remove away. Yes, this is also the difference. Yeah. So anyhow, this is the old crimping this is the old crimping machine. Okay. This is the new one. And at the beginning, the customer thinking it's no need. But after our customer using, they found it's really very effective. It's really very useful. Right now, we are selling this machine more than 2,000 sets of this machine in the market.
Okay.
Every month, we are producing about 47 sets of this machine.
Oh, 47?
Yes.
Okay.
We supplied a lot in the market now.
Oh, very popular.
Yes.
Now.
Yes.
Okay.
Right. Because of the function, because of the less trouble, because of the easy setting and the quick adjustment.
Okay.
Yes.
Let us come back to the pneumatic corner cracking machine.
Yes.
Mac, I
Yeah.
have one question.
Yes.
You know, for many countries,
Yes.
they need the sliding windows. Normally, the sash, the depth of the sash is very longer.
Oh, okay.
I saw this the knife is too shorter.
Okay.
Cannot meet the sliding window sash, the depth.
You are right. This is a very good question.
Yes.
But you know, Fastech already solved this problem for you because you know, as we told you, Fastech right now we export the machine to 77 countries in the world. 77 countries in the world.
77.
77 countries in the world. So according to all the customer feedback, we already upgrade all the machines. Already upgraded these machines. For your question, we already have the special tools. This tools is 16 mm. 16. Yes. So what is the benefit? What is the benefit? Because you know, no matter you are using the sliding door sash or sliding window sash, it's long enough. It's long enough.
Okay.
Yes.
Understand.
Yeah. This is for the sliding window sash and the sliding door sash. And at the meanwhile, we also have another tool. We have another special tools. This is the tools. Standardly included. This one is for the casement window sash and the casement door sash. As we know, for the casement window and the casement door sash, this side they are not on the same. They are not on the same. The straightness not on the same level. Not on the same level. So for the standard corner crimping tool cannot. So that's why we have this special tool. We have this special tool. Yeah, same. Also, is installed on the stretch board. Can be easily adjustable. 手电。Yes. Thank you. So now we show you here. So these tools can be suitable for the different casement window sash and the casement door sash. Yes. So that's why for Fastech, we already consider all these points, already upgrade all the tools to be suitable for different customers' requirement. So
okay.
Yes, again, when the customer buy the machine, maybe at the beginning they don't know it, but after they buy the machine, they will know the difference.
Okay.
Yes.
So Mac,
Yeah.
what is the biggest height of this machine?
Okay, this is also a good question. The standard height is 160. The standard height is 160, but as our customer requirement, such as in South Korea or in Turkey, we developed the height to 250 and the maximum is 320. 320. I show you 320. This one is 160. Maximum we come to this 320
Oh,
as the Turkish
320.
customer
Okay.
requirement. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
understand.
Yes.
Understand. So, Mac,
Yeah.
can you have a can you have a summary about this machine?
Okay. So before we summary all the machines, I want to show you another point again. Actually, you know, for this machine and this machine, not only the 2 point, like I told you, this one is driven by the compressed air. This one is driven by the hydraulic station. Also, the setting much easier. Another point is, you know, all the table. I show you. All this table, it is solid. It is cast. It is fully cast. Even this tool is also fully cast. So it's very solid. It's different from this way. But if we hear the sound, we can easily check it. So why we do this? Because we want to keep the machine stable running. So that's why for Fastech, when we design the machine, we consider 4 points as our principle. First, function. First is function.
Okay.
Second is preceding. The third point, stability. The last point, friendly operation. This is the 4 points for fan stack. When we design the machine, we consider the principle. Principle. So now, if I summary all these two,
Wait a moment.
Okay.
Jack.
Yes.
Just now I found a new point. What is about this barcode?
Oh, okay. This is a very good question. May I borrow the iPhone, the phone from my team? Yeah. Can I borrow the phone? Okay. Actually, this is our unique. This is our production life management system. Products life management system. We just using the application to scan it, then automatically this one, the system is, the internet is not very good. Okay, it is the product life cycle management. So this one is for the customer, for managing the products.
Okay.
Yes, in case the products have any problem or any feedback, all can be done in this system.
Okay.
Yes, this is also the difference between our fan stack and others.
Okay.
Yes.
Mac,
Yes.
I think this time you can have a summary about this machine.
Okay, now I can give you a summary about this machine. Yeah. So again, this corner crimping machine is fully pneumatic controlled. No oil leaking problem.
Yeah.
And because of the special designing of all these tools, because of all the special designings, so to make the crimping tool setting become very easy and very quick. This is the second point. Also, because of the special designing, we can keep the machine stably running.
Yeah.
Yes. So I'm thinking this is the full introduction about this machine.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for Mac's introduction.
You're welcome.